Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. This casting is by Matchbox, and I think it's new for 2025. Looks like a nice casting, paint looks good. Let's open it up and see what else it offers. So here is the 68 Ford Mustang Fastback out of its box. The first thing, paint looks really good. This is actually very close to the cars from that era. It doesn't look bad. It's metallic, looks nice. But to the front, in the front, I was expecting more than this because Matchbox in recent time has done such a great job with details. This one doesn't have any painted details. It does have the chrome bumper or recolored lower bumper, but no details. You can see where the headlamp is, where the grille is, where the Mustang logo is, but apart from that, no painted details. Also misses out on mirrors, which is again very unlike Matchbox. They usually do mirrors. Has windshield wipers, which is good to have. And you can see some design in the hood too. Looks good. Let's move to the the driver's side. Wheels. I think we have seen this on some other Matchbox cars too, but they look nice. They look very close to what you will see on the older cars. You have Mustang on the side with the Mustang logo. I don't know if you can see that. And there is this white stripe that goes around the door and around the side. Surprisingly, door handle is detailed. You get some vents here, and it's a fastback, so 2 plus 2 the back. The interior is finished in chrome. I don't know why. I don't think the actual car had chrome interior. I know why, because it's the chrome pieces they're using in the entire car. That's why. Looks like turn indicator. Might be running light on the side, which is detailed. To have that. Again, in the rear, you got chrome bumper. You got the tail lamp, exhaust, but none of them are painted, so no details there. I don't know why Matchbox did that. We expect more from Matchbox now, right? On the passenger side, looks almost identical, no major differences. And this is how it looks from the top, and this is how the base looks. So some minor details on the base. It's a plastic base, it's from inline, but not a lot of detail, at least more than what Hot Wheels is offering now. Overall, I think it desperately needs some details. A painted headlamp at least would have made it look so much better with painted tail lamps. It's a nice casting. The base is really good, but it definitely needs a lot of details on it. Well, that's what I think. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.